Yes, it's not history, no. Former Chief Justice say on tin ya mabiase. Na otrotro ya no. Okoka say Pamai enyu bia ojinidi. Na according to Araba Justice Pamai nini ye case bi. Onu vote against Pamai no mo. A few honum no obey target. Entino wama Matia say 11-0 90 70 50 no na e woni nti omo ye ni saa san say ye try ya dre na obi ko different nipa no become a target of the bench enunti na on penise Pamai enter on no case so na woni santum but you have say ono Araba ya o empanel Pamai October case na Tadio sorry ejina speaker na mu di call Supreme Court no afenyo mark ni mu di call ya no o empanel no na Justice Pamai ka ho and the Pamai ya that bad na osawo jidie wo no musi or selected judges 5 judges o mo be transfer so a odi ni ka ho na atasa na to mama no na ese aboa bibiwu a opre we dey we because me who Chief Justice our press conference that so when who be aka kire me I say we should be good for the next MPP National Women Organizer we what brofo na no ati when bedwam kasa tie ne nra obey better sin how akumsi and any abristo opposite the women organizer no onko hono Nicholas for raising some be bisa questions be or sha say o se ba bia ye di na asem no ba bia ye di na asem no onti asese ye di na asem wo hono Nicholas afina Matia say you can be a judge but will not understand the law because over article 146 clause 3 now or one state ba bia committee na so transit no your hearing what does it it is not stated in the constitution by bia so committee no a hearing into the hearing no either the committee and not the appointing authority president that what committee no on a bit my mom munni hanamonta na momvanya modwuma anase committee na nkasa be decide say ha no mo person motra eyo modwuma. How has that become a case original so na you see case ni bia no ye di no judicial service daimu na we do makwa di no we bi we yasem we emraben na we tia emraben na it is not against any law. Nicholas or see your friend yes you almost searching no almost screening no now hotels do be quite hotel mo yen screening
yes screening yes
protocol venue no protocol no venue mo atwusu ama wo no enye old castle your security zone me wa
sanity
and you know irrespective of whoever you are your best screening mama arabanjin to say she's the suspended Chief Justice
suspended
otherwise known as former Chief Justice
former na dey suspended into nka so former dey eja o kan
Nicholas
ko wenim
yentwa better na
ko wenim
obeba biu o mabiu me say o mabiu
ko wenim
we what we don't need the susia to tell the one mabiu oko azu twa aboatia uja no be prisa elbia no yer obeda I say and former Chief Justice mo pen suspended ene onye Chief Justice biu and that cases previously anko obenya no ene bi ni ne ho biu She works as an ordinary Ghanaian. Pending the determination of this hearing, very soon the outcome will be public. Until you want to mean claim it or hold on to Sir Glory now or basking as Chief Justice. No, she cannot be allowed to walk around as if say or your former Chief Justice and now suspended Chief Justice, depending on how you see it. Do you get it? Until young fair no cotton change in any case, I say you are arresting a husband. Any Nabusian for from attending the hearing. Nicholas, this woman is supposed to be our former Chief Justice. What I say? She's supposed to be our former Chief Justice. Offer article now, clearly Article 146.8, no. Clear. The hearing of this proceedings shall be in camera. You can't in camera. The tintin in the theater and say private. And the decision to admit your husband and now we're busiano, is subject to the committee. The committee the bet me akaso and bra ukunu bet me di watch and bet me mobile di watch. Scientists are only you and the petitioners. That is what the law says. There's nothing other than this in the law. You don't need a law degree to be able to read this and understand. It's as simple as ABC. So I say, of course, so I go cancel. Yesterday, Edu Lodge now na evoke those things are tangential. Those things does not matter. Issue no, the narrow constitutional issue no say what violate Article 146 and is subject to Article 146 proceedings. Who will answer be, who will be raise it. And your next or yes or Timrana and say a judicial review. Do you get it? And now obey filing for constitutional interpretation. What do I say? These two options in our war, sir, courting public sympathy via public press conferences, a violation of Article 146.8. Article 146.8 say all the proceedings, in camera. Mami were from day one, and what decided say she will leak every information to the media. And the president Chon or leaky to the media. Me wa. Orie ene wa kokon akoko wie no assembly hold the press conference telling Ghanaians say and seminar a what petition one would no we everything would their court. Everything our can on the press conference is a subject of court a year to ago. Urie ya wasia baby shia Ghana for enyina country and say A, B, C, D, T. Now you will not resign. Who cares about you resigning? Say your committee ne yesulu anka over this time we call. Can you wait? You got adukwe case train no. Who delay ye? Who to train your name? You must go for you go be here doing to me my bill. You see, my me way I display clearly. Say on T emra. Prima facie no, Nicholas. And your committee, it wasn't Palmer's committee that determined the prima facie case. The prima facie was established by the Council of State. And no more. And determined because President Nsaka petition, he referred the petition to the Council of State. And a Council of State for fair no more establishing prima facie case. Why are you asking Palmer committees and a mouth? Prima facie, they did not. So you cannot really litigate the point of prima facie at the committee. It has been established already, and the committee is in full gear. The committee is working. Was in a lawyer, a cohort in her absence, and her lawyer was not admitted, or was not allowed. Common sense, and yet law practice. Say. Me manya sem usi umia it must take me to introduce my lawyer to the court. And yes, sir. So you must court no formal notice. Say as soon as see na my lawyer. In that case, the one kwa nipani timijina emuma. The point is, she did not tell the people of Ghana, say, oh, my lawyer no, man to me, I introduce, and to me, I notify committee, and say, oh, this will be my lawyer. Now, so if the committee is not properly notified, today I debate you. All I know accreditation. I say, you see, obi anka, wa kwa kodru abi awadri. Eni kwan say o ma ho kwan. Na yetimi kan ya adwen kire. But uja ni say dia ye bebo ya adwen ama. Straight. Ya oye ye bebo ya adwen ama. Me see one timian contract the one of the process to na eni kwan say president yesi ena omaye. Eni kwan say yesi ena ya ye ni obeye ya ni emotions. Try to play on the emotional keyboard of the people. So obe court some public sympathy. Obi animo, obi ehun ni awo ye. Wo ye Chief Justice, abra na wo ye Chief Justice case ba wani mu ayenim. Wo pe na wo ye Chief Justice obi file case anopa ewia na what decide awie. And see that we Ghana ha apart from wo. Wo be ye Chief Justice ultimately decide say nobody should sit on any case this a oba. Say we ni Ghana no mu the case wo mo ntwen wo na ba be share abema date actually bia true or false. Why you win in every nobody has stopped you. The judiciary is never under any attack. The court is working. Ye obian throw state ruling and van come judge be say come and read. Do you get it? And then you obian can say the law is the law. We now can't say the law is the law. Now the law is the law and everybody gets the law. When you are getting the law, you are crying. Is it today she got to do say the judiciary now no presiding over no? Na a messy na. The bia ye catcher music babia moti ninsem huna mudinu or court one emwa a time will come you will pay for it. No fee say ye dear grow. And then she's crying like a baby. And no baby ambuye. You see, okanya kokazio poamandie. Oni poamandi sentence yenji nimfi oni refi. October 2024, 30th October 2024. Speaker lawyer Thaddeus raised objection on this Justice Jamini say Jewu ye gawu minim Jewu. Say Jewu ye MPP parliamentary candidate da. Na asema abeto omo animo no. MPP for kan ho. What I say? Enu ntino. Omunya ya nka unrecused ho. CJC Article 128 clause 4 no. A constitutional matter and a political matter. Entinu a ill conceived, they cannot let Jewu off the case. And no dismiss case no. Ye miss and say case na Daniel for the court will need or no dissentee no. A political na a constitutional. Say constitutional, how does that a political, how does that affect a ne case na a work court no? You see, Mami we refi say honyenuga, lawyer Chatuchi Kata, finally objected to honyenuga sitting on a case involving that whole for case no. Omutuguye say a baseless. There is no substance in Chatu's claim. The same Chief Justice, former Chief Justice Charlse Maccarty Araba Isaba Tokornor. Yes. Justice Doche, in Justice Onyenuga, 2021. A month for a challenge on my involvement on a case. In two separate rulings, Omu Boni Nina Guye, not a bench and no subi. You get it? And ne was say, oh, Nipua mine. Nanka one I am finding quite a bench and so. president afre Poma so ombe chair committee no on kase wompe no me fa hwan wo she does not understand why Poma will accept to chair the committee. Who does she want to chair the committee? Or will be our person or ye fit so no nesi or chair committee na onfa nipa ne dimra na interrogate nipa no ye hu se nipa no so na legends te say na biases te say the case be no mwadi in the past omu gina G2 mu ana obi dissent here onfa no metu dwane ehwe otherwise Nicholas nia maame ne be ye no for me it amounts to say ye na Ghana ba ye papa na so mo kasa wo wi hu but unfortunately o ba ntoa na aka ho no content ni ehwenim as a blue kiosk entino ba no eni lucky potent they are impotent, let me say that the bar is impotent until nobody takes the bar serious again. We see your man kasao if I got the if I got the statement church statement in the beginning and now Chief Justice are called publicly against Article 146 clause 8 no if I got it and her bar are quiet. If I got in the bar, you got the if I got the 7 American Ghana Bar Association, and then what can I know to and no matter soon about the former Chief Justice back career, and no non crum no ye did. The former Attorney General, Deputy Attorney General, as soon about the pa, who was on the Araba bag. No, she was the aide to Araba before her elevation. As Deputy Attorney General. Wow. And nuntina all come bebre no. Okasa basabasa. And car right hunsem ni left hunsem. You see emrani diwa diw. Ya tigana hano. Nobody directs a court as to where you see a din asem. Entino Nicholas ye siwa onya asema babia ye jeli muntie 3-4 no. Ebetimi di wako ni akodi wasem ba bia di atayi asem ebetimi di wako ni akodi wasem ba bia si edi obi asem bia wonya yedi wuko ni akodi wasem wonko kan che court ni so enana me wo hana mu jeli muntie 3-4 ntino that memories of you jeli muntie 3 no it is aim at intimidating me sabe ayenzem hunu we ayenkwasi asem yen kasa ansem we. You cannot play on anybody's. You see, nobody seems to have sympathy towards Araba because Obia who Araba in court, open court, in facial expressions, say no see ya nearma, and show see where ye Obia, what I say, or ye independent, and just see where you be or ye neutral, what I say now. Tien you oko kan isa edu lodge introduction na odi back case mu kan na say asem no edu lodge all just say oh so say some sa akode bi eye ono na uncle yes entinu sa akode no ye den oye MPP ni ana sa akode MPP ni na hwan mu na ekun sa akode no mu PNDC enye sa PNDC for NDC for what in there oye women organizer no. This is coming from an MPP stock. Okay. And then we bet Ghana phone na say me MPP ni. Sa akode na ka hu na ye kun na maybe twam some 40 something years ago no. Mu ni mu a me catch them. This is the first time I me bo mu nyina ma ne me wo fa. No on the hwe school. Me nya admission college University of Ghana in 1980. Na ono na na hwe me. Na ono ho na mete. And omuko din sa ade no enti ne musa de mi aba ha mu be ka me yaw it explains why she does not like the NDC. It explains why we hunjo mama no wamuna that is all enti woni ni ntimi nya adwuma mu enti common sensically sanka wo principles wo principles anka mama ba ya wo so ani na na wo you resign because omo the party na asifo the nananom na ekun wofa me boa no mo akun wofa de we dey na oni omutimi adwuma what is omo akun wofa de we dey na oni omutimi adwuma. That is the issue. So for me, Mr. Gona, for me I'm a TI or a former Chief Justice because prima facie has been established against her. And until continuously, or catch Ghana force on TRC, there is no prima facie against her. Because onim, see a prima facie tiaope, oko, oya den utiati. Anyway, we.
Meda say, Charlse Maccarty in the submission. Mamenko, Kojo Yeboah.
Yeah, Meda say, me check for na for. Unze me away the Maccarty was asem wakani.
Mama the time I watch him.
Watch him do to me the crabby can one. Them call the other side. What man say? More cases or.
And baby.
Yeah. What man say? Me mama we. Ne humpa em one. Ya onu to me catch Ghana for you answer baby. You didn't corner ye didn't answer no. Na ni nye ho because I honor there. Ese ya na bibi.
Mental torture.
Yeah, ese sin so. Ya na ne yam hihye na kuma tu. And assemble no starting now work can or CBC one work can once no. The Supreme Court gate and me is yo. So Supreme Court da. Who rem was CBC wo. There be our for be hu. BC one on your left, e be one. So I don't do to twam kwadwuma en han bibia okay. Baba bia ne kwa de be ha no. No any say bu bia no busan say any say Supreme Court bia no mote no. Ya mo hye we go mo tete ayin achi no. But that platform achi no mo tete wo no. Any say obi ba hon man on nakoma onipa no so pe ana. I remember muntie tre kokodu dem ho. Ye do dem ho. Even u phone po e bia wo pagya ne kakakura mpo a tia ye betia ne won ya irema no. Police for ne ade o mu gire mu no. And who need right to phone po ye de wo mia bibi mpo so. And so bi hon mo feel okay ana. We hu amodi hye nipa mo ba nipa ba e ma mudi na asem ye ne yere e kokotum. Etie de na wo de se de wo ko ba bia wo se ba bia mo de me kon mempe na wo bia wo se bia mo se bia nya de wo nya asem a ye de ko ba bi wo na wo kire ba bi kra se de wo ko ma me ne we nwa wo na me de e kama chempo ni se press conference o ye no wa ye no kine anya bi obesa ko committee na nim bi mu ana bi o mi wan de kra so ko committee na nim kokko ide because amu ye nyina mo ya we emra ne kire se bi se sia ese ka kokoam ana me boa
sanity
wa babonten amu wa ba be bie nsem ani se na nsem no wa bonten dada wo ba be defend ho de na wo ba be ka ye tie otimi ba be ka kire Ghana fo se wo tu kwa we security ntino ese otimi de wukru ena obako na anya bia wukru ayi wukru no wo ye ayi ni Ghana force o commander na so ewi ana we navy commander na so air force commander
go with him
ena wo ba no so sebia mu sebia nya do wono so police IGP etu yire wukru no ba no ese odo omko wafa Ghana skade afso wukru ena oba de akoba bi na ke kansema no oba Johnson because of security me wa constitution make it clear say wo security fine wo ko na do for security anko ba bia wo ko sebia mu sebia nya do wo ya odentu sa ape wukru dia kan ho ena ko afa Ghana sika e de atwa fa oba kan ho mo ba so ade ni ya mpo say wasa ama mo pedium wo ba be cheche because of na wukru no oba de na bibi say de no betima ye ya wo sa be na me say wa man people for na leading na to way gatam kra sududu na wenya de obetu na Maccarty en ni kwampo say ke discuss no ye ne na wie dada we ne de hunya aka omo aka no se na omo so be wie na omo ani matimi ada honom ne we wu ba be cheche we mu a Ghana ni bi tifie no otie obeka ma me de na anadwene since we as by Ghana by ye hu obi so nya case mpa o ba be gente na anu na me ka che mo ase media attorney general de me nya adwene we da bi okura gongo bita no obomu no e me ne nya adwene what ma say attorney general da bi press conference on court wo ye ya no be gira ho be de simasi come do benti come the way ko enno emwame what ma say the same ma me na be enko asem to obo no mo nya bibia o na wo so na be determine person what tran wasem ne so it is that time on us open 7-0 9-0 5-0 no na mfa po amanka ho no we na nim so ba sebia mu sebia o de mran be ya adwuma eteri kwaso be ka panel ne ho sa na ma me ne person o kire enne po aman aba be transo o mampania friends o mambe na Ghana parliament de du ba bi o monka no o monya ne ma yi we are obi anko back make obi anko back na ko hwe ma me no sa to na event no questions ebusa and answers o de buy say no qualify to be ayi po Chief Justice obi anko back no ko bibia anko yie na so mo agina tum omu ananum kwa mfa so mo gine tum e ma mi ko na wo hye o mampani da obi odi o mampani da ya wo place obesa ba biem ye introduce no tv hwe nanim bu na ni chie kese na camera da wo so na ne wasema ba ne ye kwakodi wasema umnya odi kumisa menti ase ada na simasia na obentiti cases bi nipa dodo se no reject na me ma me ne de nyam nwanwa wo sa ko wo yi a ai kwa benya ho ne mo a sa ni odo anto so ho mo land odanto o mo land
din dia ya no aboni
na me ka no benya nkrani
o se de
odanto ya wo mo any quest kwa benya top nyina there's a case maami we trans bi ya no e panel member trans so sa me namesake anim ye bo na Chief Justice wo mu won no won so de ko won ze we ko friend number won't you investigation to so as Chief Justice wo nka ho hwe wakota fie edi wo ba chekire mu what ma say eso ba chekire mu di nko fie nko trans allegation we mu odu we have to come back now wonim say papa we wo mu tra ho timi bu asem ma party A papa ifi so pe na maami asa trans o mu ya pi maami na wa fe de won o cheye no o ka ba ko mu nyina de ko benkrom the same 5 days 6 days 7 NB maami etima sa 10 kit wa trans de amabusu afoforo esa maami we ni de no kra campo no question won eti ni kwase Ghana fo mpo ye fi no na me panel members there's no need so mbesa afra maami se atoto na no biem kakra no mo nya na mo chekire famra ni yemfa no anya agine because ono abu an one thing anyway ai kine samami wempo en sama ebusa ni nyina sabiam se ya nya bibia mpo amfa ambo ne ko adu a de nane na so be ye no eno abu an fo emra no no aba asa be bu an fo timi wan de kronti asa atwa bi mata atoto na no why the price be delay mra no omo forget mami ne kakra no de ban na ye no omo fa mra no omo te so me believe omo say you can Togo ni ka ho
Togo ni why
nya the NPP for say no Togo ni no auditor general no won nya panel member
dom level
wo mu nyina se obi fitogo no aba no abajaji Ghana ni a na se sabi wa enkrofo jaji odu ko Togo na abajaji Ghana for na so ntumi jaji ni a sasa wa ento mo fa we ni mra there's no need se be we sit down e be to anema kin yanko enim na nema ne dos yanko fa se from mra you are me no ka say MC no what takwa no takwa takwa nso ayim MC no oba how many weeks ni
enche de bibia ba ho
me sin sama won ho de abru e wudi gu hampo enkwa
sa
I'm telling you obi kura concession cramp obi kura concession no MCC concession na ukura no me eju concession no na mafa ma fa